snowball.
Say hi. Here we have a record-breaking snow in Atlanta. We have maybe 4 inches just on the ground. We're just hanging out, walking around.
And this big snowball record.
Gabe is making snowballs. Uh-oh, who are you going to throw that at?
Dad. Because he got me.
Oh, he did?
Yeah. So I'm going to get him. My big snowball. Ah! Seriously, that ice inside.
That did not have ice. I am not that kind of snowball fighter.
Let me get you back on mom. Let me get you back.
Uh-oh.
Ah!
Wave, Meg, wave.